Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by opening Settings with Windows plus I, then go to Time and Language and Typing. This is faster than digging through Control Panel. Once there, make sure you have admin rights because some preferences apply to all users. You should also glance at connected keyboards and the current language layout so you can restore your preferred options after resetting. Now proceed to the next panel where the keyboard-specific controls and advanced options live. Now you'll tackle the middle, more technical steps. First, open Device Manager and expand keyboards. Uninstall the device and restart Windows to force driver reinstallation, which fixes garbled keys. Next, go back to Language Settings, remove any duplicate or wrong layouts, and re-add your preferred layout so shortcuts and hotkeys map correctly. Finally, in Typing Settings, reset personalization and autocorrect data to eliminate learned behavior causing unwanted changes. These three actions cover drivers, layout, and typing state. Finish by testing. Open Notepad and press every key and common shortcut, and use the on-screen keyboard to confirm physical key versus software problems. Once done, run the built-in keyboard troubleshooter from Settings right arrow troubleshoot, right arrow other troubleshooters if anomalies remain. If that still fails, roll back to a saved driver or use a system restore point created before you began. This prevents deeper changes from causing trouble. Make sure to reboot after each major step to apply settings cleanly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.